Both stay. Now, there's a piece of chicken nugget. And we're going to decide who took the lid off my sandwich. Now, guys, who did it? Admit it. All right. So the chicken nugget will be left there until somebody fesses up. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to put some more. Stay. I'm gonna have to put some more chicken nugget there. All right. So now that I've tempted you more, anything you have to say now, Finn? Jack, Finn, Jack. That's a full nugget there, babies. Darn it. You guys are tough. Tough crowd. I can't break you. You've got me. Wait. There you go. Good boys. You're such a good boy. I love you. Hey, Finn, look. I love you too. Jack, look. Love you. All right, guys.